Good morning, everybody! I'm back! Anyways, guys, I'm back. So I'm vlogging today. It's Saturday, and we are packing. Hi, Conchita. Look at the mess over there. It's a mess because we are packing. We're moving next week, but we're doing it this week. No, I mean, we're doing the packing this week, guys. Wala may time for next week. Pwede na kapag dito for next week. I-move na mo. Magkuha na namin sa mga maleta and everything. Magkuha na tag black bag. Ano na kay murag di na kayo mga maleta sa mga sinina. So, shopping Conchita. Pamalit pag tagsipit ako ning. At nga sinina, unya, dili na maigo sa among maleta. This is it, guys. We're packing. Stay with us. Bye-bye apartment. We've been living here for 6 months, I guess. It was from February. And
na aming neighbors no, sige pa kukar ni kagabi alas 10 sang tugabot ko alas 12 di ni katog tapay man giaway everyday. Oh my goodness, mura kung gipatay mga Vietnamese. Sama to naka-decide nila we should move. We're moving to District 7 and Ho Chi Minh and we're packing our things. It's time to go. All my bags are packed, I'm ready to go. Charot. Kumato siya, copyright please no. Pero ganahan mo, please do subscribe to my channel. para makakartasad ko. So that's it. I'm gonna put this camera here and we're gonna start to pack. See you in a bit.
so far, these are my clothes in a hanger. And I have to fold all these and then put it in my maleta. And then si Conchita, she's already siraduhin her maleta. Okay, so hi, I'm back and we're partially done with packing and right now I'm just eating pillows. Coconut flavor. So good. Anyways, so we're going out. We're gonna head out. We're partially done. And we're gonna do grocery shopping for a week. That's all we got here, 1 week more. Let's make something and I'm gonna buy something for myself. It's a reward to myself because I've been working so hard and I've been sick and blah blah blah. So I'll see you in a bit, guys. Guys, so padong kami mag-adto sa mall. We're going to the mall because we're going to have lunch, very late lunch. It's already 3 o'clock and we're going to the mall. Conchita, say hi. Panglimusa, dali. Luhod. Guys, so this is what I'm wearing. So the challenge today is, tanawa na to, kinsai linge sa akong outfit. Kaya kailangan ko. Who's going to look at me with this outfit? Just looking for a place to eat kay gipamgutom na among bitok. Gutom na bitaw, guys. Gutom na kayo. And let's see. Asa yung mga una ni. Kita mi. Sige, bye. We're here at the Mai Chok Songhua restaurant. We're going to eat our lunch/dinner. Mga timpas mo karon. Mga timpas mo karon because it's Saturday. Basta Saturday, guys. Sige rami kapas mo ka na. Mahaw rami. Di mi maniod to. Di ba ning? And ano siya? Or siya ang kanon. Di bitaw ay. We're waiting for the things that we ordered. I think so. Yung tanawa ko para sa show mining. Malungkot naman siguro po eh. Muna siguro guys. I have to say goodbye. Maybe I'm gonna take some pictures only. Pero I think my phone is dying. And I'm dying. Thank you so much for watching for today. Bye guys. Next time. Balik ko naman guys. Subscribe, share, like, comment. Hala, nindot lagi kayong lightning. Lightning. Lightning ba? Ay, nakagwapa. Oh my. Kachita, look, gwapa. Ito guys, nakagwapa ilang lighting diri ako. So guys, more to shot. Thank you so much.